so for today's video is going to be a review session for my psychometrician licensure examination, or the BLEP. So we'll be doing it via Zoom, and I think I'll be bringing you guys with me during the review. So without further ado, let's get to the video. I'm on Zoom.
Yeah, baby.
Okay? Now, hopefully you have a copy of the exam.
We are now rationalizing developmental psych diagnostic exam, and I'm sorry if you can hear the lecturer on the background, but we're now having our review, and now we're rationalizing developmental psych, and number 1 palang mali na ako. So
it's not as problematic.
Mali pa rin ako, letter C pala yung sagot. Okay, so yung sagot nila, letter D, yung sagot ko D. Oh my gosh, Angel, what's wrong with you? Hi, so we're now taking a break, and so far my score is like a score. I will not reveal my score kasi nahihiya ako. But anyway, we're now taking a break and we'll be back around 10:20 a.m. So I think right now magchichika muna ako with my mother, and I'll be back in a while. Break time's done, so we're now back rationalizing Dev Psych, and I hope everything goes well with my score. I hope hindi ito yung score na makukuha ko sa board exam mismo. Mary, wala totoo.
Yung system ng bata, immune system. Kaya siguro hindi na fight off yung infection, hindi proper yung brain development. Kaya ayan, no? Prone siya to schizophrenia later on in life. Now, next, eto. So, when you're talking about...
Okay, so right now we're in the middle of almost ending the session of rationalizing developmental psych. However, my dad and I will fetch his friend sa airport, and the RGO is recording the lecture right now. And the RGO will send the link of the recorded lecture sa GC namin, and I will just watch it there because I might not be able to finish it right now. So, but I will do my best to attend the Zoom via phone, sa Zoom sa phone. So, yeah. So our lecturer said we're going to have our lunch break and we'll be back by 1. And I hope na makakauwi ako before 1. And so, makaka-attend ako ng lecture sa laptop. Kasi ang hirap dito sa phone. Hindi ko pa nadala yung questionnaire ko. So,
I've got a lot of moaning voice.
break time. Tama. Si Ulisa, wala gitara. Late na po kami sa afternoon session. Haya, what can you say? We're late.
It's fine. YOLO.
Yo,